How to log into Milestone Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Milestone Credit Card online account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Milestone Credit Card online login. After that, you'll find this Milestone My Finance Services. You can open that website up. So right here, you'll find your option to log in basically. So simply type in your username here and then your password. Whatever your password is, make sure that you type it in correct, including your username. And there are also different options for you to register your account if you haven't yet. And if you've forgotten your username or password, you can reset that from here. And also to view the agreements. So just type your username and then password, then tap on login to login. And if you need either of these are always present here. And yeah, those are the way you can log in into your Milestone Credit Card online account. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.